In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connections on LinkedIn. Adding connections is a big part of using LinkedIn, but it's important to understand how it differs from other social networks. Unlike Facebook, where you might feel inclined to add everyone you've ever met, LinkedIn is more about fostering genuine professional relationships. It's crucial that you stay genuine to avoid appearing as if you're just networking for the sake of it. Before you proceed to add someone as a connection, you should ask yourself a critical question. Would this person discuss a job opportunity with me, or would they be likely to recommend me to an employer? If the answer is yes, then it's probably worthwhile to connect with them. This ensures that you're building a network that is both meaningful and supportive of your professional journey. To begin adding connections, you'll need to navigate to LinkedIn's interface. At the top of your screen, click on My Network. Here you'll see a list of people you may know. If you spot someone you'd like to connect with, simply click the Connect button next to their name. If you prefer, you can also visit their profile directly and hit Connect there. This can be especially useful if you're looking to learn more about someone before reaching out. Once you click Connect, a dialog box will pop up, providing you the opportunity to attach a personal message to your invitation. This step is crucial and adds a touch of personal engagement. It's always advisable to include a short, thoughtful message to remind the person who you are and why you're interested in connecting. Crafting a brief but personalized note can significantly increase the chances of your request being accepted. Once you've drafted your message, simply click Done to send your invitation. To keep track of your connections, you can check the total number of them in the top left corner of the My Network page. Always remember, in the world of LinkedIn, the quality of your connections outweighs the sheer quantity. Having 50 strong, meaningful connections can propel your career forward much more effectively than having 200 connections with people you don't really know. Therefore, it's important to take your time, approach each connection with intention, and focus on crafting a professional network that truly supports your growth and aspirations. It's about building a community that you can rely on and contribute to mutually. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. Your support enables us to create more content that helps you navigate the professional world with confidence. Thank you for watching.